Hi, I am JT. Welcome to Winterfest Workshop. Today we are going to be making ornaments. Let's get started. When you are making ornaments, you need adult supervision. My mom is going to be helping me today.
To begin with, you're going to need a piece of corrugated cardboard, a small piece just like this, so we can trace the bottom of the boat onto the cardboard. You're going to want to use a Sharpie so it really shows up well for your cutting lines.
So I just finished tracing the template, and my mom is gonna cut the cardboard.
When you are helping the child, you will want to cut the cardboard because it's kind of tough to cut through. And you have the shell of the boat. Now it is time to decorate the boat. You can decorate it however you choose. You can use paint, markers, crayons. You could sticker it up however you would like to do it. JT is going to be painting our boat.
So you could either dab it or swipe it. I'm dabbing it because I like it.
Once you have finished decorating your boat, you're going to set it to the side. We need our paint to dry anyways. And we're going to start on this sail. After you cut the sail out, we're going to put the flag on the mast, which is just a small skewer. For the flag, we used decorative tape. You just take a small piece, I'm gonna wrap it around the top. Now that you have the flag on, we are going to use glue dots to put it onto our sail. You're going to position the mast so that the flag is just over the tip of the sail. We are going to decorate with stickers. However, you could be as creative as you want and use crayons or markers, glitter, just however you would like to do it.
First, I'm gonna be using a snowflake, then a present, then a snowman.
Now that we've made the sail, we're gonna decorate the bottom of the boat because our paint is dried. Now that the boat and sail are decorated, we're going to assemble it. You will do that by adding a glue dot to the bottom of the skewer and inserting it into one of the holes in the corrugated cardboard. The last thing we need to do now is add our ribbon so we can hang it on the tree. You do the honors and hang it on our tree.
That was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Thank you for watching Winterfest Workshop. See you next time. Follow us on social media. Go to our website to get your Winterfest merch.